Hello everyone, my name is Hassan Parvez, and today I will show you how I color grade my videos on Davinci Resolve. So first, we drag the video into the Cut tab of Davinci Resolve. Drag the video to the timeline below. So we need to change the frame resolution. On the bottom right, you will find a gear icon. Simply click on the gear icon and a window will appear. In the master settings, you can see our current resolution, which is 1920 by 1080. We basically have to invert it by clicking on Use Vertical Resolution. Now you will notice we no longer have black borders on left and right. So now we have a proper vertical content. And on our right, we will see properties of the video where we can adjust certain parameters and also apply stabilization. Stabilization helps your footage to be more stable so that you get that cinematic look. So click on Stabilization tab and then hit Stabilize. Your video will then stabilize. Once stabilization is complete, you head over to Color tab and start color grading. On the left side below, you will find color wheel settings where you can adjust the colors. You can change values of highlight, color boost, saturation, and temperature. I usually give my videos blue look, but that depends on you. You can adjust according to your needs, so I'm going to change some values. So first, we drop shadows to give a darker look. And then the video is pretty much warm, so we adjust the temperature to make it more cooler. We can increase the color boost to enhance the colors. After that, you can decrease the saturation a bit. We can also increase the contrast a bit and details. You also have to increase the highlight so that the light sources in the video are more prominent and have that glowing effect. You can also change the settings in these circles to get desired look. After that, I'm going to edit the curves. So drop the white value to darken a bit. We have white, red, green and blue channels. Since I make my videos more on the blue side, so I'm going to increase the blue value, and now it's starting to give that look that I want. Also change the red a little, and I think the footage looks good so far. After you're satisfied with the color grading, we need to add some effects. So the first effect I will add is called halation. So what halation does is that it enhances bright areas of an image appear to softly bleed around the edges of the dark areas. You can apply by clicking on the first node, click Add Node, and then Add Serial. you will get another node connected by the first node. After this, in Effects panel on the right, search halation, and then you will find the halation option at the top. Simply drag and drop on the new node. So you can already see we have this glowing effect around the edges. It gives the footage that dreamy look. On your right, you can adjust the halation settings, change the threshold, normalization, and film saturation level. You can also increase the strength of reflections and spread our reflections. After this, we can apply secondary glow. You can probably add grain to give more nostalgic treatment, but for now we are not using it. And now we have a footage like this, which is slowly giving the look that we need. But as you can see, there is some noise. When you're shooting at night, iPhone camera sometimes struggles. So we need to apply noise reduction. So again, we click on this last node, add node, and then add serial. In search panel effects, type noise and then drag noise reduction on the new node. On your right in the settings panel, select a value of 5. Select better and then adjust. Do the same for special NR. Select better and then adjust the slider until the footage looks clean. After we're done with the noise reduction, we need to add vignette. Again, right click on the last node, add node, and then add serial. In the effects panel, search vignette. Drag and drop vignette on the new node and the effect will be applied. We then select advanced option and then you will see the star on the footage. This is the origin point of the vignette. We drag this star on the dominating light, which is the street lamp over here. Then we can increase the size of vignette so you can see remaining area. Increase anamorphism and softness a bit. After this, you can probably make final color adjustments. So go click on the first node, since we color graded in this one, and then adjust the value again. You can adjust the temperature values to get both blue and light orange color. Both colors complement each other, so the overall composition looks much nicer. So once you're satisfied with the look, now we need to export it. So head over to the Deliver tab. rename your file to any name. I'm going to rename it to sample. You don't need to change the rest of the settings. Since this footage was recorded in 4K, we need to export it in 1080p resolution because Instagram supports this resolution better. After this, click on Add to Render Queue, and then on the right side, hit Render All. And there you have it. A glimpse into my video color grading process using Davinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.